Bruhs, welcome to day 2 of our adventure in Hawaii. It is beautiful outside, oh my gosh. Dude, I can see myself moving down here in another life. Look at this view, it's awesome. So birds chirping this morning. Just gonna hang out, shoot the shit. Today is just gonna be us going around. They're gonna show us around Hawaii, a couple of the car spots, and we might do a little photo and video session with Makoa's Hestia 86 build. So looking forward to that. I think he's cleaning up his car right now, but we'll go check it out. Dude, every time I come down here, I think that that's a person. Yoo-hoo! So what you guys might not know is actually this rear diffuser is not made for this car. It's actually made for an RX-7, and I know Derpy ran this before. Just made it look so clean with the Rallybacker kit, and then he just painted the original stock diffuser. And this is Daryl's Tacoma, which we'll be doing a couple of roller shots in. Dude, it is a beautiful day in Hawaii right now. Got my coffee. I think I'm all set to go.
Take a right at this street on your right hand side. Where you're coming up here. Right here. What's up? The go-to dish. So I mean, you can try a little bit of.
Alright, so we're eating at this place called Helena's, and it's close to authentic Hawaiian food. Just looking for places to eat really while we're on this trip. Finished up eating at Helena's. Now we're heading back to grab the Hestia car.
Call this truck after the area. I don't even know why they call this a
Hack 'em. This is how we're gonna do our rollers, bro.
I mean, riding in the back isn't illegal, but
I'd probably open up the mid window just to tell them if there's
cops. With care.
With care. Don't worry, bro. I got that.
No, you.
Oh, that's
Hey!
you guys track the stalker.
What the? He's just turning.
Oh, Makoa, stop. Michael! Did you go to the clinic, Michael?
Fuck yeah, dude, I got eye surgery. Oh shit, what up,
you really?
Oh, how's it going, man?
Michael.
Pleasure, nice to meet you, man.
Oh, you can fit a car seat in the back.
Shut up.
You can.
Simon back, Derps, gonna be doing the audio. Living life on the edge.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. Also on the faces of people going by, I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you.
That's a sweet view.
You gonna go on the sand or?
No.
Of course not.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. But try go in the left lane, left hand lane, and then that way you can get.
Alright, so we are at this shoreline called Kauai Kai, and we're shooting Makua's car. Queen Bee! Oh no! Scroll down. Shit. Oh no. It snapped.
Yeah, just the base of it.
Looking at pocket. And they got the coppers.
Oh shit, and they brought a cop.
Yeah. Alright, so kind of finished up here. Sorry, it might be really windy. Hey, look, family of ducks. Quack, quack. Hey, dudes. Yeah, fun in class.
Don't drown. Daryl, you better save them.
Yeah.
Carry around motorcycles?
Huh?
Carry around motorcycles?
I don't know about motorcycles. I know you can rent mopeds.
That was close. What a fool! Dropped his shoe. That's huge! Dang!
The truth about the way we tied it loose ends up, I'm sorry. We could go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it.
Alright, ducks. Here.
Alright. So, we got our Hawaiian guys. I can't actually swim, but our Hawaiian guys can, so
I'm not saving you.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about the way we tied it loose ends up, I'm sorry. We could go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it.
Thanks, man. Yay!
Don't ever do that to me again.
Are you scared? Crazy. Nice view.
even just like driving around here, it's so peaceful.
Pop some out of you.
Yeah.
Got solo cups.
Alright.
Right hand drive.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. With the Nismo expensive LMGT. LMGT.
Hey, where are you going?
Oh, he doesn't even care. He's got other issues at hand.
He's got beaches. God bless you. Kayak out to one of those islands.
I mean, those waves don't look that strange from up here.
It's called Makapo. I think it's a bird sanctuary.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh man, Birdie, you need to be there.
It's not crowded, that's good.
I definitely did not bring beach clothes. Even sandals. I don't know why I'm wearing my Yeezys. Rocks help. Just gotta step on the rocks. I just went for a quick dip. Actually got myself wet, but I think we're gonna head to another beach right now when in Hawaii. We beach hunting today, just like jumping from beach to beach, but it's almost sunset now. So nice.
And then smash your head into the rocks and then
Well, that's it.
Belly flop.
And from up there.
fuck no. Climbing down's okay. I'm not jumping, man. I don't know how to swim.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You can jump.
Huh?
But I'll watch you jump.
You're gonna have to like climb down after.
I'll figure that out, man. That's future Simon's problem. Which way looks better? I can go down this way.
Nice.
Nice, bro.
You want to learn how to swim now? You can start with doggy paddling first, and then just teach you how to float.
It's better in the ocean, right? Because you float better or something?
The salt gives you more buoyancy.
Cool. Alright, Birdie's going in. Up top.
How is it?
Scary, actually.
It's hard to top, right? You're in the air too long.
For sure, man. Oh, that was fun.
Worth it?
Yeah, definitely. But I touched the bottom.
You did. Man, you can't go very fast.
You can't go even faster because it's snap.
Yeah, you gotta watch it. What the hell? You know, I want to do a VIP van build.